Hello and welcome back to another video on Crazy Days Crew, and today we will be doing the 2019 September Ipsy bag opening. And personally, I really like this bag because it's so cute. Granted, this video is a little bit late this month, but better late than never, especially when life is chaotic. But here we are. As a cute little plastic crystal thingy. I kind of like it. I might use this one for more stuff, because I get too many bags. I generally don't use them. Anyway. Get on to the opening. First item is mascara, and it is by Too Faced. Too Faced is always good. This revolutionary creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. We do like that. It says it has a infinity brush. Our exclusive dual fiber infinity brush was engineered to hug, lift, and curl each lash. Short bristles load the formula for immediate release, and long bristles comb through to dispense product evenly for shocking volume. I have yet to use this one. It was my bad on my part. But here it is. Infinity brush where it has little curves and stuff. Of course, using my hand is not a good example, but look how vibrant it is. Very vibrant. I also really like this holder. Anyway, next thing is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have used this one when I got it, and it was very moisturizing, as it was supposed to do. Granted, they said to sleep with it, but I didn't, because I didn't want to get on my pillows or mess it up. So I just put it on, waited till it dried, and washed it off, and my skin was so smooth. And it smelled really good too. So there's the positives. It did, when I got it, it came out. It leaked a little bit, but it didn't go everywhere, which thankfully still full sample container thingy. So I was still able to use enough of it and still have plenty left over. Next one is the Reflect Lip Gloss. But here's the little box. It's very, very pink and purple. It's very pretty, and it goes along with the theme of the month. And this is lip gloss. It's neutral, but it seems like it's mostly a topper, but at the same time it's like it can be worn by itself. It's like I don't know if it'll even show. No, I can't see it. It's just really shiny, and it's really cute. It's got little diamonds on the applicator part thing. So I like it. Next one is the eyeshadow glamour, and this is the box. It's very vibrant, by itself. It seems really good. It is it's called Colored Rain. Or at least that might be the brand. I can never tell the difference. They're always in different orders. Oh yeah, this one is just called Glamour, right? Okay. But it is a very shimmery type eyeshadow. Perfect for when you're wanting to get like a very sparkly, smoky or something. I don't know. That's what I go for, just to get it on the eyelids. And finally, Madison Miller blush. All I need is love. That's cute. It's very orange. But even a little bit of spreading out, it can be a very vibrant blush on the skin. Very orange. So, not sure what to do with this one since it's just so bright. Who knows, I'll figure it out. But, it still goes on really smoothly, just like the eyeshadow I forgot to mention. Yeah, that's about it. That's the 5 products for the month. I got the Madison Miller blush, the Colored Rain eyeshadow in Glamour, the Watermelon Sleep Mask, the lip gloss, can never tell, Reflect lip gloss, and the Too Faced mascara. Looking forward to my next month. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you liked the video, please like. And be sure to hit the bell to get notifications of when Crazy Dave's Crew uploads. And have a good day. Bye.